Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check that your Oppo model supports wireless charging or MagVook because power negotiation differs. Once done, remove bulky cases and metal attachments so the phone sits within 3.5 mm of the coil. This ensures stable coupling and prevents overheating. Next, plug an original Oppo pad or a Qi-certified charger rated 10W or higher into a quality USB power source. You now place the phone on the pad and align the phone's center with the charger coil. Alignment matters because coils must overlap for maximum power transfer. As you set it down, watch the pad LED or the phone's screen prompt to confirm charging. If you see a slow charge indicator, adjust position slightly. Make sure to leave the phone idle for the first 5 to 10 minutes so the system negotiates power and the battery and pad reach thermal stability. You finish by optimizing. Avoid moving the phone while it charges so alignment and thermal control remain steady, which keeps charging speed consistent. If charging fails, test the USB cable and wall adapter, try another Qi pad, and confirm the phone's charging indicator. This isolates faulty components. If things still go wrong, remove any magnets, metal cards, or magnetic mounts, and keep the ambient temperature between 0 and 35 degrees Celsius to prevent throttling or thermal shutoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.